Case name Subhadeep and age is 18 years. Today date is 1st July 2024. Why you came here? What problem you are facing? I want speech sample before treatment.
I am facing high-pitched voice problem. And
from which place you came?
I came from Bangalore, Assam.
So how this voice problem is challenging your day-to-day life?
When I call somebody, everyone thinks that it's a female voice.
Post-therapy video of Subhadeep and today date is 8 July 2024. I want speech sample after treatment. Why you came here and how do you feel after the treatment? What are the reactions you are getting from your friends on the phone?
I came here on 1st of July for the treatment. Today's date is 8th of July. I came from Bangalore, Assam. And today, after 8 days therapy, I got improvement in my voice.
So what are the reactions you are getting when you are calling on the phone? First time when you spoke to your friends?
They were shocked that whether it was me or not.
So they are not. So how you gave the proof like it's you?
They were asking some personal question or counter questions to me. Then I gave the answer correctly, so they got to know that it's me only.
Okay, can you describe your problem before treatment? What challenges you are facing?
Before treatment, I was facing a high-pitched voice problem. My friends said that it's like female voice.
Okay, so now you are happy.
Yeah.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes in his pre and post treatment voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.